Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, Pete and I have been looking at, where's Pete? Yeah, there's Pete. Hey. We're looking at some of the new information coming into the Weather Center, and we have some early hard numbers that we're going to share as far as snow potential, even though it's roughly a day and a half away. But here's the situation as far as what we are tracking. For one, frigid air, no kidding. I mean, temperatures outside right now in some locations are in the teens, so we're setting up for a very cold night as expected, and that should spill over through tomorrow as well. Of course, the weekend storm, it's not a possibility. It is likely. It is headed our way with a kind of a wide variety of weather, but with such cold air in place, it will start as snow everywhere, including the South Shore, and accumulations are likely before that change over to some sleet and some freezing rain. The height of the storm as far as precipitation would be Saturday evening and Saturday night. The travel will become slippery. We'll start to see some mixing of sleet and freezing rain along the South Shore. We'll talk about some specific numbers in just a second. Downtown Providence, clear skies, cold. Yeah, no kidding. Look at this, 22. Some spots are down in the teens right now. The air is very dry, humidity coming in at 39%. Satellite radar composite showing the clear weather all across New England. Snows through the Great Lakes will stay away, so pretty simple forecast for this evening, just kind of dry and frigid. As we get in real close, take a look at your Futurecast. Now notice late at night, starting at around 11 o'clock, offshore for the islands only, Block Island, Nantucket, Martha's Vineyard, some what we call ocean effect snow showers are possible out over the water, but elsewhere on land or inland will stay just clear, cold, and dry. Here we are tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Sunshine starting off, 18, 19 degrees, very cold start to the day. Sunny skies in the afternoon. Once again, like today, temperatures not getting above freezing. We'll start to bring in some clouds tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, but your Friday night will be dry if you're heading out, Christmas parties and holiday shopping and things like that. No weather problems in terms of precipitation. So for this evening, all the way down to 15 with clear skies, so bitter cold. Tomorrow morning, sunshine, very cold. It starts off in the teens at sunrise and rising through the mid-20s. Then during the afternoon, not much higher than 30, but at least we have some sunshine, brisk. So a gusty wind will make that 30 feel colder. Wind chills will probably be in the 20s. All right, jump ahead now to the weekend with a developing storm near the coastline, a shield of moderate to at times heavy snow working in later in the afternoon and certainly towards the evening hours, with ice and rain staying for the time being offshore. But as we get into deeper Saturday night, late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, we start to see a transition near the coast to some rain and some sleet, more of a sleet mixture inland, and staying all snow well to the north and west. However, it is cold enough and it does snow long enough before the changeover to pick up some accumulations. Right now, our early thinking before the changeover sometime on Saturday night, the potential is there for 3 to 6 inches of snow. But you know the drill. It's still a day and a half away. Check back with us to see if those numbers have to be tweaked a little bit, but that's what we're going with right now. 7-day Futurecast shows the snow working in Saturday afternoon. That's the start time. Continuing Saturday night with some mixing of sleet and rain later Saturday night. That'll spill over the mixture into at least Sunday morning, drying out later Sunday afternoon at 36. Then dry cold weather returns from Monday with a temperature at 29. Even with the anticipated mix of some rain and some sleet, some accumulations, and we're thinking 3 to 6, which would be the most snow we've seen so far this winter season.
All right, better get used to it.
Yeah.
Tony, thanks. More coverage you can count on still ahead on Eyewitness News Live at 5.